Handy Hudsonite here. We're going to talk about jacks, and this is a jack that I purchased at Harbor Freight. It's a 3-ton jack, as you can see. So a very strong and durable jack, one that is plenty capable of lifting my Honda Odyssey here, which is a very heavy vehicle. And when you use a jack, you want to make sure that you practice the utmost in safety measures. You want to make sure that you are lifting the car at the proper lift points. So you need to consult your owner's manual or maintenance manual to make sure that you're doing that properly. On my Honda Odyssey, this is a 2004 Honda Odyssey, I have a lift point under here. It would be kind of hard to show you, but there's a lift point under there. It's basically the tow hook that would be used to tow the car, and it's plenty strong in order to lift the vehicle. Another place to where it could be lifted would be on the frame, where the control arm meets the frame, the heavy-duty frame underneath, and then you have the support points, and there's a support point here. You just have to look underneath. You'll see reinforced, kind of a reinforced lip just behind the front wheel, just in front of the rear wheel. And then when it comes to lifting the back, there is actually a mount point under the car, just a few feet back, that it's actually on the other side of the gas tank, that you can support the vehicle when you go to jack up the back of the car. And again, on the other side, the support points are the same, just in front of the rear wheel, just behind the front wheel. And you want to make sure that you have jack stands that are going to be they're going to be heavy duty enough to support your vehicle. And that is what you need to know when it comes to jacks and jack stands, lifting your vehicle. And again, you want to make sure that you're supporting the vehicle on each side equally, equal heights with your jack stands. And what I like to do is actually put the wheels underneath the frame of the car for just extra support. And even if you have extra jack stands, it wouldn't be a bad idea to throw those under there just for backup support, because you do not want your vehicle coming down on you in any means. So that's how you work with a jack stands to support your vehicle, specifically here at Honda Odyssey. And thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for future videos on tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done, and I will see you in the next video.